Deputy Matayasi responds to a call for backup. A reckless driver has just been stopped. Possibly DUI. But when he reaches the scene, he can't believe his eyes. The suspect is so wild, he just ejected his passenger from the back of his truck.
The vehicle took off and proceeded forward, and the individual in the bed of the truck lost his balance and fell out of the bed of the pickup.
Showing no concern, the trucker guns it down the street. Yazi makes up ground fast. Then suddenly, he's forced to hit the brakes. For no apparent reason, the suspect has stopped. The deputy's not sure why, but he's about to find out. He puts the car in reverse and crashes into the policeman's SUV. Twice. It's unclear if he's trying to kill the officer's engine or kill the officer.
I remember being jerked forward by the force. I also noticed a lot of almost like a white flash, but it was the snow that was in the bed of the pickup truck that flew into the air.
The final impact immobilizes the lawman's auto, and the desperado makes a break for it. Unfortunately for this outlaw, he can't cripple the whole force. And sure enough, he's caught within a few blocks. His drunken rampage targeted friends and authorities. Now he's on a collision course with prison.